Well, hi, this is Custom Works. I'm Clint Allen, and I've been watching a few videos on how people are telling you how to change out your buttons on the steering wheel on GM vehicles, and I just shook my head. You don't have to cut the steering wheel apart. You don't have to remove the airbag. You don't have to do any of this foolishness. Just watch. You're still here yet? It's over. Oh, I know. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, the little bell, the little bell, and that'll tell you every time I post a new video. Also, go root around in my previous videos, and you'll find a lot of interesting content. Until then, go home. Oh yeah, the garbage can's over there. Don't be making a mess. Clean up after yourself. Go.
Listen closely for an